This common mistake can blow an engine before 50,000 miles, and most drivers do it without realizing. When someone repeatedly makes this mistake, their engine will develop a rod knock prematurely, often as low as 20,000 miles. The reality is, rod bearings can wear fast, especially at cold temperatures. If you do not let your car warm up before driving it, your rod bearings are suffering. And the solution is not to warm your car up for 30 minutes, just 2 to 5 minutes is enough. Then stay under 3,000 revolutions per minute until it's up to temperature. Be honest, do you do this?